Hi, I'm Bridget Castelluccio, Digital Learning Consultant from Grantwood AEA, here to share a Chromebook accessibility feature that is built in. Let's learn more about the text-to-speech option called Select to Speak in the Chromebook.
Let's go ahead and set up the accessibility features so we can enable the Select to Speak. So you can go down to your Quick Launcher, and I have my accessibilities toggled to show in my Quick Launch. I will show you how to do that. If you go to your settings gear and search setting accessibility, or you can see that it's over to the side as well. So it's here, or I can search it. The first option I can see, show accessibility options in quick settings. I like to have that toggled on because I tend to turn those on and off quite frequently. Next, in text to speech, I have two options. I'm going to toggle on the Select to Speak. Notice the icon is a black circle with a speaker. Notice that the icon is a black speaker. So you most likely have it toggled off. When you toggle it on, you'll notice that here is that icon down here, and it will stay at the bottom in your bar. If I hover to discover, it will remind me that this is the Select to Speak feature. So let's see how it works. I have an article from National Geographic Kids on endangered species. I simply come down and activate it. Notice it turns blue when I drag over, either with my finger or with my mouse, and highlight the text. Let's listen to it read.
Endangered Species Act.
When I use the forward arrow, it will chunk the text to the next portion.
How This 1973 Law Protects Animals by Elizabeth Hill Frank.
Now I can have the student adjust the settings so that they can determine the right speed for their listening comprehension. Let's see what a paragraph sounds like.
A manatee glides through clear, warm spring water in Florida. A grizzly bear catches a juicy trout in Yellowstone National Park. A bald eagle soars near the U.S. Capitol in Washington, D.C.
Here's what I love about this. Using the navigation, I can go forward a next paragraph. I can return to the previous paragraph, which honors students to be able to reread with their brain, their eyes, and their ears. These will go to the previous sentence. So if I want to chunk just in sentences. To turn it off, I do the X, and notice now my icon is no longer blue, and it's ready to activate for something else. This overlays quite nicely with web pages. If it is a web page that is a PDF, it will also be able to detect text. It doesn't always work with Google Docs. It sometimes reads the docs twice, and it will not overlay on Google Slides at this point. But it is a fast built-in feature in the Chromebooks. And then now that I have it in my quick launch, when I go over here, if I want to take it off, then I can toggle it here and then toggle it back on, which makes it quite convenient to regulate when it is being used and not used.
The built-in Select to Speak feature is an easy way for students to access text, to have that read aloud to them, enhance their comprehension. If you have any questions or like additional support, please reach out.